Dissolve the instant yeast in warm water. Add the sugar to the yeast in warm water. Stir gently and let it sit for a few minutes until it becomes bubbly and active. Carefully pour the all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl, leveling it gently with a spoon, and make sure it is ready to be combined with other ingredients to prepare the perfect pizza dough. Sprinkle the sugar over the flour in the bowl, then stir gently so that the two ingredients are evenly blended, forming a smooth base for your dough. Add the activated yeast to the flour and mix gently to combine them evenly. Use 1 tablespoon of oil for a light, flexible dough, or 2 tablespoons for a richer, softer crust. Start with 1 and add more if needed. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are well combined and the dough starts to come together. Knead the dough thoroughly until it becomes smooth and elastic.